leg or two.
Get some of their coleslaw, too.
Okay. All right, y'all want to go with me?
No, I don't need to go with you. There's a ball game coming on. We'll sit here and do man things.
All right. I'll be back in a little bit then.
All right. Well, yeah, get some extra gravy.
Okay.
Y'all sit your asses down here. Sit down. I just wanted to get your mom out of the house for a few minutes so we could talk. See, here's the deal, Frank. If I'm gonna throw my life away doing what I want to come live with y'all, we're gonna get some shit straight. See, your mommy and I don't have no problems except for you. Fact is, we never have a bad word between us. But since you do exist, and I'm gonna be the head of the household, and you're gonna learn to live by my rules. The first rule is, you don't speak unless you're spoken to. You got me? And you stay the hell out of my way. And do what a regular kid does. You're a weird little shit, Frank, and I don't get you. So wake up and face what they call reality. See, we're gonna be a family, Frank. My family. I'll be paying all the bills. So that means you're stuck with my ass. But I ain't your daddy. You just act like I am.